Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, it is officially the holidays and I could not wait to share with you guys our 2021 home tour. Now, this year's theme was initially supposed to be silver bells, but just like you guys, I ran into a lot of issues finding the things that I needed in order to bring that whole theme into fruition. And so we went again with more of a glamorous yet cozy winter wonderland theme. And I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. So without any further ado, let's get started with our 2021 home tour. Our side tables are extremely simple. We just added a snowflake and a candle on either one to just add to the beauty of the space. The sofa I got from Bassett Furniture years ago, and we just decided to add the white and very neutral pillows to keep the space very calming. Above the sofa, I added in some artwork that I purchased on Etsy. I love it because it just gave that warm and cozy cottage feeling, and then the mirror picture frame added the touch of glam, and I just absolutely love the way that whole look turned out. Moving over to the fireplace, you see the velvet curtains. I got those from Amazon. I absolutely love them. And I am going to add more after the holiday season is over. And as you guys can see, for the fireplace, I did a garland that flanked both sides of the fireplace. And fun fact about it is that I used 3 different types of greenery in the garland. I used the traditional garland, which was lighted. I used a fern, and then I used a flocked piece of garland as well that was pine needles. And they also had the acorns on them, so I think it gave it a very natural look. And then in order to tie the look of the garland into the tree, I added the flocked picks as well. And I just really love that entire process. And so I'll share with you guys, if you're interested, a tutorial next year on how to do the garland. I'll go ahead and film it so it'll be ready for you guys for next year. And so that is how it turned out. Absolutely incredible. So I'm going to take you guys now on a tour of the entire space. So I'm going to give you some Christmas music for your listening pleasure.
Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget
idea to create a beautiful Christmas village, and it didn't quite work out the way that I had in mind. And so I used an old tree skirt, and I decided to put some different things that I found in Target and Hobby Lobby on top of the bar area to create that beautiful scene. For the tablescape, believe it or not, this year I decided to create something very simple. I used the same fur runner that I used in the previous years, and I wanted to create more of a glam, simple glam tablescape, and this beautiful centerpiece along with the reindeer that I typically use in our bathroom area. I just think it turned out beautiful, and then I adorned our wall with some beautiful Christmas artwork. Moving on to our bedroom, as always, I love to include our wedding photos in our decor. I absolutely love the interest in the lamps, and can you guys tell that I swapped out our bedroom lamps and our living room lamps with one another for the Christmas holidays? It's always fun to shop your home. And then I added this glittered Christmas tree. It's been around in our home for years, and I absolutely love just the beauty and simplicity that it brings to the overall design of our bedroom. Many of you guys absolutely love our bedding set, and I have loved it too, but I am just ready for something new. So stay tuned for a bedroom refresh in the coming year, and also an office refresh in the coming year. I love adding little balls and little pieces of signs and little decorative things to bring the holiday season into the bedroom without going too overboard. I do want to add a tree in our bedroom one year, so stay tuned to watch that. And then on our little side table in our master bathroom, I included a candle set that spells joy, and then I added the reindeer and the trees as well. So I just thought those were some beautiful holiday touches to our bathroom space.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 la. Oh, oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed all of the spaces that I shared with you guys in our home. If you did, be sure to leave your favorite room or space down in the comments below. I love reading your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you will not miss out on another video. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!